Hi. At this point we're going to install and use the Quantmod package to look at some common financial data. And the way to do that is to first check that you have the package installed. So we'll type install packages, and it's called Quantmod, all lowercase. I run that, it'll tell me that I have it installed or not. There we go. Looks like it might have unpacked it and updated it for me. And now that we have it, we can bring it in. We'll go back to our script space. Library Quantmod. Run that line. Make sure that it's there. It looks pretty good. Looks like it brought it in. Did a couple things, maybe because of the update. And now we can actually look at some of the stuff we have in there. And the first function we want to look at is the getSymbols function. So we're going to just go into our console, type $getSymbols, and here's kind of the description of that function sitting in the Quantmod module. Now please note that the source of this financial data is by default Yahoo. Here you can actually change it to use like Google or a couple other places too, but it was written by Jeffrey Ryan, who deserves the credit for this, to go and get data from Yahoo. So if we want to bring in a data set from Yahoo Finance, all we have to do is type getSymbols and then the name of our symbol. In this case, we'll bring in the VIX index. And look at that. As soon as I run this line, there you go. You'll get a data frame XTS object called VIX. And this is pretty common in R. People like to write functions where you give it the name of something and it returns a data frame of the same name. And if you could double click on that, it'll show you what it looks like here. And it's got a bunch of dates, and it's got the VIX open, high, low, close, volume, and the adjusted volume as well. Missing some values. The VIX isn't always available every day, every month even, so that we might have some gaps in this. And now we'll go ahead and plot it with the kind of the default plotting function from Quantmod, and that's called chartSeries. If I just give it the VIX XTS frame and plot that, you'll see we get a default value for our VIX index over time. Thank you.